I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line.
All right, you guys, so today I'm going to try to make the 90-second keto bread. This is by Duff. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Every time I make keto bread, y'all, it never turns out right. So let's hope that this one turns out good. So first you will need 3 tablespoons of almond flour, or I think coconut flour, either one. And 1 tablespoon of butter. You'll need a half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 egg. So let's get on into it and let's just hope. Oh my gosh, I'm hoping it don't taste like egg, because every time I have made keto bread, it tastes like egg. I forgot to mention you do need to melt the butter.
Completely betrayed. There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me. Around it.
So you want to mix this well until you get like a cream consistency. And I use the spoon at first, and then I transition to a fork so I can get like all of the grainy texture out from the almond flour. All of it don't come out, but it does turn into like a cream mixture. You'll see.
My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving.
Next, of course, you want to use a microwave safe bowl. So what you have to do though is spray your bowl with some type of cooking grease, or you could wipe it down with like avocado oil or something. This is just so the batter doesn't stick once it's done.
Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on
Okay, so this part is optional. You do not have to add parsley. I add parsley because I'm just extra and I like parsley and things. Don't ask me why, because it really don't have a taste, but I love it. Also, I want to say this bread was really soft and it was really fluffy, and I did not smell egg. So that was like a good sign, because the other breads that I made, I smelled egg as soon as I took it out the microwave and when I sliced it open.
the prize. It's hard to fight, to fight. Goodbye.
So now I will say that this is a little thin, but it turned out perfect. It was nice and soft. I am going to put this in the toaster because I'm going to make a breakfast sandwich with it, and I want it to be toasted. So I'll show you guys what happened when I put it in the toaster. All right, so when I put it in the toaster, it kind of scrunched up a little bit. It did get toasted well. It just turned like a little bit smaller. So this is the taste test. It was actually really good. I was so surprised that it did not taste like egg. I had already took a pita bread out just in case this one was nasty to make with my sandwich, but I was so happy that I could eat this one with my sandwich, because with this bread is only 3 net carbs. So it was like I was so excited about this that altogether my breakfast was 6 net carbs, and if I would have had the pita bread instead, the pita bread would have been 7 net carbs, and my meal would have been 2 carbs, so it would have been 9 net carbs. So because I made my own keto bread, it was only 6 net carbs.
I dare you to fix me.
All right, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me, and as always, I thank you for watching.